Hello, today I'm going to show you how to brew delicious coffee using this cup here. This is the K-Cup because the K-Cups are mountain high premium coffee. Yeah. And this delicious coffee we can brew on that Cafelffe Capsule Coffee Maker MK606 because it is K minus cap compatible. What is K minus cap? You know it, of course, because in your country is it available. Keurig Dr. Pepper Incorporated is the manufacturer. This company brings us in the history of the original Green Mountain Coffee Roasted Company, which was founded in 1979 by Derek and Jamie Bainey in Vermont. They produce us really cool stuff that means we have here the possibility of the K-Cup. The K-Cup. K minus cup. K minus cup comes to us and we can enjoy a powerful, delicious drink with that, of course. New brews are possible, of course, with that. So, in 1993, three engineering entrepreneurs from a Massachusetts startup called Acoording approached GMCR about developing a single-cup coffee brewing system. This marking the GMCR's first invention in Keurig. In 1996, GMCR invested further in Keurig, buying 35% interest in the company. The following years, GMCR became the first roasted to offer a coffee in a K-Cup pot. And this K-Cup is a special designed device for the Keurig K-Cup brewing system. And this machine here, this capsule machine, can offer us the compatibility with that. That means if you like a good night breakfast coffee, you can use that Cafelffe machine, for example, and this brewing cups. Oh yeah. I think the right size is a standard cup size for it. So we switch on the device and we come with this cup holder. And here it is. You have to look that here on the bottom there should be a big needle, and this needle will penetrate into these cups here, and that means we are getting in position that and press it to the cup holder. Now here a little bit, click. This click sound means we are ready to use that. Then we come to our capsule coffee maker and open the shotgun system. Get this into position and close it. Now we are able to make a delicious cup of coffee for the breakfast, for example. How we perform this? We switch here on this Cafelffe capsule coffee making machine to switch between the level, and I think I choose level number 4 up to level number 5 in LED, and then push start to brew this delicious K-Cup Keurig K-Cup brewing system coffee. In this case here, it is the breakfast black. Medium roasted coffee comes to our cup in only 30 seconds or 40 seconds, and you can enjoy this cup so fast. That's easy, that's nice, but it's not so nice for the nature, of course, because this capsule machine produces a lot of litter, really, a lot of plastic, which you have to recycle. Here, every coffee is one of these capsules. That means every time after we finished our job here, we can drink a delicious coffee, of course. Here you can see it's so black. And then we have a capsule. This capsule has to go into the litter. Go upside down, smash it, and it comes out. Here we are. That is how to perform, how to make on the Capsule Coffee Maker machine this delicious beverage with Keurig K-Cap brewing systems. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun.